What do you have to do for the fast motion?
What do you mean?
Oh, you just keep it moving?
Yeah. This is Tree Central right here. Look at this.
And I have my contact in and I can like
See everything in detail too.
Yeah.
It is looking pretty trippy. Like just looking all the way straight right here. It's crazy. There's a group of people, 2 girls. I don't know. This going up there is a path.
Wait, so where?
Somebody was still daddy's rolling. Call it the neighborhood watch. Pray for a safer hood.
We're just like, I don't know. That's hilarious. I don't know. It didn't look like it, but it looks like they're all walking. They're just walking straight. And nothing's no way. Like there's a path. You just girl, oh my god. You flew by like 5 times just trying to figure that shit out.
I don't know, man. I'm gonna.
Oh my god. It looks like right in the middle. You can see it's all clear. So they have to be walking to somewhere clear now. Oh yeah, it's clear. It's definitely a path. I see it.